Hi, it's Tom Asmus again with the Computer Doctor in Texarkana. Um, I have a question here from a user which says, I have 3 computers and 1 printer. Is there an easy way to connect all 3 computers to the printer? There's a variety of different ways, but we're going to stick with the ones that don't involve buying new hardware. Although, well, we may mention one of those in a minute. Um, if you have 3 computers and a printer, the first thing you have to know is whether or not it has either a wireless capability or a wired Ethernet capability. And if it has either one of those, then you can just connect it to your network, uh, and then you'll be able to print from any of your computers. If it does not, then what you need to do is hook it to one computer via the USB port, and then you'll have to go into the control panel into printers and find the right one and right click on properties and tell it that you want to share this printer, and it'll give you a name that it suggests for you to put for the printer. You can put whatever name you want, as long as it's not probably not too long. Just make it something short. And then you can go to your other computers. And the reason I'm hesitating a little bit, it varies from version of Windows to version of Windows exactly how you do it. But you go back in to the printer's control panel on the one you want to hook up to next, and you point it to that computer, the first computer that you connected the printer to, and it'll want to hook up. It'll want to download the driver for that computer as well, and then you go to the last computer and connect it that same way. So basically, what you've got is one computer is the print server, and you just have to tell it, hey, go talk to when you want to print to the master computer, the server, and then when you're over at your other computers and they're pointed to it, then you should be able to do it just fine. So I said there might be a more expensive device. There are some print server devices, and if you're running a business, uh, well, ideally, if you're running a business, then you want to get a printer with networking built in. But if you already have a printer and it's a high grade printer, it just was older and so it doesn't have the networking, then you can buy a network print server. Um, can't really recommend a brand at this moment, but just go to a computer site, Amazon or Newegg, and look for network print server, and it will connect to the printer and it will connect it to the Ethernet, or some will connect wirelessly, and that way everybody will be able to print to the printer in a smoother fashion. Um, and actually, it's not even so much that, it'll just be smoother every time you add a computer to hook it up. It's really the main thing. Um, but again, this has been Tom Asmus with the Computer Doctor in Texarkana, and you can reach me again at 903-832-0311.